Hello everyone and welcome to English Flow Practice channel. If you want to speak English fast and without thinking too hard, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to practice using a special method called shadowing. This method helps your mouth and your brain work together so you can speak English naturally. Many people first think in their home language and then they try to translate into English. But this is like a slow stop sign. It makes your English slow and sometimes you make mistakes. Shadowing fixes this problem. When you shadow, you hear the sound and you repeat it right away. You are training your mouth to move automatically and this builds muscle memory. It means you will start speaking English directly without needing to translate first. Your English will become easy and fast. The rules for today are very simple, so please listen closely. I will say one full sentence and then I will pause. In that pause, you need to repeat the sentence right away. Today, we will practice sentences with he, she, and it. We will use the helping words does and doesn't for questions and answers. This is a very important part of daily conversation. If you focus hard, your speaking will become correct automatically. Ready? Let's start the practice. Does he play the piano? Yes, he plays the piano. No, he doesn't play the piano. Does he like to read books? Yes, he likes to read books. No, he doesn't like to read books. Does he know how to swim? Yes, he knows how to swim. No, he doesn't know how to swim. Does he play video games? Yes, he plays video games. No, he doesn't play video games. Does he sing in the shower? Yes, he sings in the shower. No, he doesn't sing in the shower. Does he like to go fishing? Yes, he likes to go fishing. No, he doesn't like to go fishing. Does he listen to music in the car? Yes, he listens to music in the car. No, he doesn't listen to music in the car. Does he cook dinner every night? Yes, he cooks dinner every night. No, he doesn't cook dinner every night. Does he wake up early? Yes, he wakes up early. No, he doesn't wake up early. Does he go to the gym on Mondays? Yes, he goes to the gym on Mondays. No, he doesn't go to the gym on Mondays. Does he work on weekends? Yes, he works on weekends. No, he doesn't work on weekends. Does he travel for work? Yes, he travels for work. No, He doesn't travel for work. Does he have a driver's license? Yes, he has a driver's license. No, he doesn't have a driver's license. Does he live in an apartment? Yes, he lives in an apartment. No, he doesn't live in an apartment. Does he wear glasses? Yes, he wears glasses. No, he doesn't wear glasses. Does he have a new car? Yes, he has a new car. No, he doesn't have a new car. Does he have any siblings? Yes, he has siblings. No, he doesn't have any siblings. Does he remember my name? Yes, he remembers your name. No, he doesn't remember your name. Does he like spicy food? Yes, he likes spicy food. No, he doesn't like spicy food. Does she speak English? Yes, she speaks English. No, she doesn't speak English. Does she know cooking? Yes, she knows cooking. No, she doesn't know cooking. Does she like to paint? Yes, she likes to paint. No, she doesn't like to paint. Does she play any sports? Yes, she plays sports. No, she doesn't play any sports. Does she like to go shopping? Yes, she likes to go shopping. No, she doesn't like to go shopping. Does she like to go for walks? Yes, she likes to go for walks. No, she doesn't like to go for walks. Does she exercise regularly? Yes, she exercises regularly. No, she doesn't exercise regularly. Does she drink tea in the morning? Yes, she drinks tea in the morning. No, she doesn't drink tea in the morning. Does she study every night? Yes, she studies every night. No, she doesn't study every night. Does she take public transportation? Yes, she takes public transportation. No, she doesn't take public transportation. Does she go to the gym? Yes, she goes to the gym. No, she doesn't go to the gym. Does she work as a teacher? Yes, she works as a teacher. No, she doesn't work as a teacher. Does she enjoy her job? Yes, she enjoys her job. No, she doesn't enjoy her job. Does she have a favorite color? Yes, she has a favorite color. No, she doesn't have a favorite color. Does she own a cat? Yes, she owns a cat. No, she doesn't own a cat. Does she live with her parents? Yes, she lives with her parents. No, she doesn't live with her parents. Does she have a big family? Yes, she has a big family. No, she doesn't have a big family. Does she have a good memory? Yes, she has a good memory. No, she doesn't have a good memory. Does she get a lot of mail? Yes, she gets a lot of mail. No, she doesn't get a lot of mail. Does it have a battery? Yes, it has a battery. No, it doesn't have a battery. Does it work properly? Yes, it works properly. No, it doesn't work properly. Does it make a loud noise? Yes, it makes a loud noise. No, it doesn't make a loud noise. Does it have a screen? Yes, it has a screen. No, it doesn't have a screen. Does it run on electricity? Yes, it runs on electricity. No, it doesn't run on electricity. Does it cost a lot of money? Yes, it costs a lot of money. No, it doesn't cost a lot of money. Does it look like a cat? Yes, it looks like a cat. No, it doesn't look like a cat. Does it taste good? Yes, it tastes good. No, it doesn't taste good. Does it belong to you? Yes, it belongs to me. No, it doesn't belong to me. Does it have an expiration date? Yes, it has an expiration date. No, it doesn't have an expiration date. Does it need more time to finish? Yes, it needs more time to finish. No, it doesn't need more time to finish. Does it need to be watered? Yes, it needs to be watered. No, it doesn't need to be watered. Does it smell strange? Yes, it smells strange. No, it doesn't smell strange. Does it seem difficult? Yes, it seems difficult. No, it doesn't seem difficult. Does it happen often? Yes, it happens often. No, it doesn't happen often. Does it feel cold outside? Yes, it feels cold outside. No, it doesn't feel cold outside. Does it rain often here? Yes, it rains often here. No, it doesn't rain often here. Does it snow in this city? Yes, it snows in this city. No, it doesn't snow in this city. Does it get hot in the summer? Yes, it gets hot in the summer. No, it doesn't get hot in the summer. You are doing great. Remember, learning English takes time, but with daily practice, you will surely improve. Speak with confidence. Do not worry about small mistakes. Every day you practice, you are moving one step closer to fluency. So, keep practicing daily and make English a part of your life. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to English Flow Practice. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss the next practice video. See you again in the next session. Keep practicing and keep growing.